channel where I barely show my face, and everyone else shows their face. You probably can't hear me right now, so I'm probably going to put subtitles. But the problem is, I'm going to forget what I said, so I'm probably going to put no subtitles. So I don't even know what's happening right now.
What are you doing? Intro!
Can you not spray on me, please? You're adopted.
Yo, I have an idea. Put it by the window.
Yeah, let's move our table so we can.
No, move the window. Put it.
Move the window.
Guys, she told us to move the window. Hey, please,
Move the window. Move it.
no, we should take a part of the hole in it and push it somewhere. You want Should have submitted that to the cops.
A 23-year-old.
What did we have the pencil for?
Just a real quick question. Do you know sand in your boots?
Yes, bro.
An 18-year-old just attacked me. A 23 and 18-year-old brother. Sorry, I had to sneeze.
I see it too.
You see the voice in my head? Not here.
I can't hear you, it's too dark.
I can't see you, Andrea. It's too loud.
Ay, Michael. Stop, please.
Nothing's gonna move it.
Guys, please help me. Talia's attacking me.
What did you say? I thought you wanted
I can make a video about this.
to I know, guys. Trust. Welcome to today's. Guys, I thought you were fine.
Guys, welcome to the...
Stop, you're gonna break it! Yeah, see, I'm gonna break it!
How?
Do you guys know the game giving you more makeup? The game is just a big open.
How did you do that?
The game is just a big open. You don't need the group to fight and to be quiet, try to count. How is your particular card?
What?
No, I think there's 52. I think I got you 39 twice.
Why are you saying this out?
105. What is it?
Everybody has a water bottle. Let's say the same thing.
There's 60 cards now. Biceps.
Everybody's got a water bottle.
Triceps.
Where did it go? Don't do that, bro.
Okay, let's make up one right
gotta look that way.
Switch here. What do you do?
I got it. I got it.
He's boggling.
He's boggling.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, and she makes me mad.
3. You're supposed to stop me.
Oh, I'm supposed to stop her?
1, 2, 3.
The other way, bro.